In this video, we will see CSS property called align content. The align content property is a sub-property of Flexbox layout module. So this property is used to align a Flex container's lines within it when there is an extra space in the cross axis, similar to justify content. But justify content aligns individual items within the main axis. Okay, here you need to remember one thing. This align content property has no effect when Flexbox has only one line, only single line. There is no effect. Okay, so align content property has six different values: flag start, flags end, space between, center, space around, and stretch. So we will see all these values with an example. Let's start writing some HTML. Okay, in HTML I am creating one list, another list. Okay, and in list I am let me give some class. Let's give it flex container. Okay, and we will write down some CSS. Let's write down 6 li. Okay, let me change the value, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so default it will look like this. Okay, so let's start writing some CSS. So flex container. Okay, so this is UL, the flex container, and in UL we can give few properties like, let's give padding 0. All right, margin you can also give 0. Here you can give width to 120 pixel, for example. Let's give height, let's say 300 pixel. We will change it if you want. Let's give padding to 10 pixel. We can remove this. All right, and you can also give border 1 pixel, solid yellow, and you can give display flex. That's the main property you need to give. Apart from that, you can give, let's see how it looks. So this is how this flex display flex work, right? So if you want to change some layout, you need to get write down flex flow, and here you can give row wrap, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is now as we want. Okay, so you can change the properties and see. If you go column, it will be aligned with column. No wrap, it won't wrap. Row reverse, it will be wrap in reverse order. Wrap, you can also give wrap. Okay, row wrap or wrap, it looks fine. Okay, so apart from that, we can start giving property which we are working on, align content. Okay, the first item, the first is baseline. So let's hover this and see. Let me give here align content. The first is center. Let's get it one by one. So if you give it center, as you can see, it will be aligned in center of this box, the flex box. Okay, so this is align center. The second argument we can give is flex start. Okay, let's change it here and we can see the differences. Okay, so let's over, and as you can see, it's the starting from the container. So it is flex start. Let me give baseline. Baseline is also similar to flex start, but it is in baseline. Okay, the And next is center. We just saw that. Let me write align content, and yeah, the end. So as you can see, it will be from the bottom. Okay, so that's the align content end. Flex end is similar to end. Flag start we just saw. Initial. So initial, it will cover complete area. Okay, so this is initial. Then you can give normal. It will be similar to initial. Revert, no change. Space around. What this property value will do, it will add space to all the allies. As you can see, the space is there between two allies here, the space between this and this. So space around, and it will be also space around this li, this one and this one. Space between, it will add space between this li, right? So let me hover so you can see. Yeah, space evenly. What this will do, this will add some space between all the allies evenly. As you can see, the space is similar. Okay, so there is a common space between all the allies, so that is align content space evenly. Start will look like this. It will start from top and it will add some space to the bottom. Stretch, and it is a default property. Yeah, stretch is the default property. So let me add again, align content stretch, and unset will unset this property. So whenever you are using flags and you want to align some content with respect to cross axis, then you can always use align content. There are few properties like align items. Let me show you align items as well as align self, but every property has different use. So this was for align content CSS property. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can leave your questions below to comment, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. That's all. Thank you.